Hi, I'm Cecilia, Senior Operation Manager here at Tourism City. And we are actually a small business, travel agency, that operates in Italy and in Spain. We usually have the large group size tours, like we had in Sagrada Familia, or like in Vatican Museums, Colosseum, you name it. The major problem was fragmentation. We didn't have a system that could have all the information that we needed together. We used Google Sheets, emails, or just rough data from our website. The interaction that we have with the guide, being far away, because for tours in Italy, we are based in Barcelona. So for us, it's key to have a connection even with them. We had our product in different platforms, for example, like TripAdvisor or Airbnb, that thanks for the last integration was amazing. It sounds basic, but is the fundamental part of our job, like having everything organized and clean. Innovation, like each day, is incredible, and the possibility to assign that to the guides. On average, save 10 to 15 hours per week of manual work, because without a platform that can give you everything, reaching out for the guide, remember the guide that they had tours, and sending out even the automated messages for us is key. You don't need to be a pro in software and technology to put down there on your laptop and get everything super fast and easy done. We plan for 2026 to expand even in different cities and grow and have more tours, even here in Spain, for more than Italy. Bókun will be the backbone, basically, of all the organization, letting us concentrate more to the new openings and having time for that and for the customer experience, making sure that everyone has the greatest memory ever, even to take back home after a tour with us.